to my channel. So today we're going to be playing Effort Plus Tower. Okay, so if you guys never subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also share this video and comment your favorite color. Okay, mine is blue. Okay, so let's get to the game. So I played this game before. Okay, so I just got to this. Yeah, I'm just Siege 1204. I don't know why did I quit. Oh my god, not this, because I hate this type of parkour hobby. Yeah, these type of things are hard. What in the world just happened? So let's get. Oh, I see that. After sometimes we wouldn't have wall, okay? We got stop here and no! Oh my god, I told you that that's so hard. Or maybe that's easy and maybe I am noob at it. So tell me in the comments if I was the noob, okay? But I passed it, okay? My goal is to do the trend of the people. I hope you saw the trend of effortless tower. They go to stage 2000 and then they go jump and then they do the trend. I hope you see that, you know. I really wanna do the trend. I'm sorry, I needed to watch it, but you guys are more important to me, so I'll watch it later. So as you guys can see, I'm going well to go near. Okay, so and then I am. As you guys know, I think oops, sorry for that, guys. That was just my sister. So I wouldn't put my camera like this. I'll just zoom in. Cause you guys know that I already do practitioner like that. No. Why am I kept falling? Look, I reached the orange. I think this is orange. No, I fell down. Thing here. Okay, so let's go. Tell me, are you addicted to Roblox? If you guys are addicted to Roblox, tell me. Oops, I fell. This one must have... Wait, what? Then which one? Maybe I just gotta jump. The stage 2000 is the color black. So I could just go like this. No, I fell. No, I think for this I need to put my camera like this. Last time when I was new to Roblox, I just do this. Yeah, I just gotta do this when I'm doing this type. Oh my god, why do I suck at this? Great thing I just came here quickly. I think the next time. Oh my god. Hey, he launched me away. So let's see. Oh my god, not this again. Okay, so you gotta go like this, yeah. Okay, that's done. Good. Oh no, these things will get. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Do I need to do wall hub? Oh. Guess what? Look at this. I got this mini plushie and this 100 page cool badge. Show you how, okay? So for the 100, I mean not the 100, the 1000 bot, you needed to reach level 1000. As I reached the level 1000, so I got it. But you needed to rejoin the game, I think, because it's been a really long time since I played this game and I reached there. Okay, so if I fail the timer, I'm going to, okay, I want to tell you that if I fail one more time, look at this thing. I think you can just do it here. So I gotta go to here. See that? Whoa! Oh my god, am I stuck? Bro. I think I should do a little bit more landings. What the? Oh, little landing. Land. Good. Gotta just go. Oh my god, this guy must be seriously injured. So if for the plushie, these plushie, you can see the first day obby. You go here, jump down here. See here to the wall, and then I'll show you the answers. I'll show you the answer. Make sure to watch it, okay? So we gotta go to here. Okay, so here. Oh my god. So I think it's been a really long time because last time I just copy people. Gotta go here. Oh my god. Yeah, then that should be good. So you gotta go here, go here. No. I think I'm the noobiest guy. Okay, so let's go. You gotta go like this. Okay, guys, that's it. We end it, okay? We just end it, okay? See ya. Bye bye.